I've got more video footage to share with you guys of the freaky flashing light phenomena. In fact, we're going to get right to it. Here we go. I've updated the map. We're at 184 plus now, just in North America. I've got video footage out of Puerto Rico now, Australia, Hawaii, and multiple reports out of the United Kingdom and Germany. We're going to start this video off in Fort Collins, Colorado. It has narration. Here we go.
This is Clint and Gina in Fort Collins, Colorado. This is the third buildings in Fort Collins we've seen in the last couple of weeks. Flashing. Hi, this is Clint and Gina in Fort Collins, Colorado. This is one of two buildings that we've seen today. The other building is actually on another street, but we've seen two buildings that are suffering from the weird blinking phenomenon here in Fort Collins. This is new for us out here.
I've been getting a lot of video footage out of the Denver area, Fort Collins area. We just saw video footage from the North Denver area out of an airplane showing entire sections of cities flashing near Denver. This video footage here was sent in by Lisa Birdsall from February 10th of 2025, driving down the highway. Check it out, near Ocean City. Lights flashing along the freeway. Been seeing a lot of this here lately. I mean, a lot. Video number 4 going to Wadsworth, Ohio. This video also has narration. Here we go.
So this light phenomenon absolutely has me fully intrigued, so I came in for a closer look. I am now parked right in front of the lights. They are the only two in this entire parking lot that are blinking. No other light seems affected. Now, there is something flying by, but I'm not sure if that has anything to do with manipulating the electricity. Wadsworth, Ohio. Almost 6:30 in the evening or so. And we have the flashing lights. Here you go, MRBBB. Not sure what's going on, but we're reporting from Wadsworth, Ohio. Have a good night.
Wadsworth, Ohio is now on the map. Going to Macon, Georgia. More of the flashing light phenomena. Bobby, February 11th of 2025. Also driving down the freeway. Did you notice the overpass there? See right there how it goes dark? Watch. The lights under the overpass, the lights above the overpass, obviously the tall street lights as far as you can see. Through Macon, Georgia. Macon is now on the map. Going to Burke, Virginia. More of the flashing light phenomena. Video footage sent in by Dave from February 10th of 2025 while he was sitting at an intersection. Notice lights at the intersection flashing. Couldn't believe it. Been seeing red lights and green lights flashing. He too was driving down the road. Noticed a series of street lights along this highway. Flashing for unknown reasons. I mean, this is just getting way out of hand. I mean, we're seeing now entire sections of cities blinking now from airplanes. I'm still working on video footage from Southwest Florida that shows multiple, probably several thousand blinking lights from Jupiter, Florida, all the way down to West Palm Beach, Florida, and multiple places in between, right down in here. Puerto Rico's on the map, like I'd mentioned earlier. Several locations out of the UK, Hawaii, and Australia.